Welcome to day 7 of our Daily Dose of Yoga Challenge. You've made it. Today is all about rest, reflection, and renewal. This is a gentle, restorative flow. Your invitation is to pause, breathe, and celebrate everything you've shown up for this week on and off of your mat. There's no rushing here, just some soft movements, supported poses, and a chance to truly let go. This is going to be where the magic settles in when we allow the body to rest and our mind to breathe. So grab a pillow, a blanket, or whatever brings you some comfort. You've earned this. Let's close out our challenge with gratitude, ease, and presence. I'm so proud of you. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's get started in a seated position. Inhale, lift your arms up overhead. Palms pressed together at heart center. Place one hand on your heart and one on your belly. Feel your breath. Focus as you breathe in and out. Start to make your way to a side of a wall. You can also use a chair if you don't have a wall nearby. Lower all the way back down. Start to guide your legs up. And stay here as long as you need to. Elevating the legs helps blood and lymphatic fluid flow back down to the heart. This is also going to help reduce swelling in your feet and legs. This is great after standing or sitting for long periods of time. Gently stretches hamstrings, eases pressure in your lower back. Also, so many great benefits. Inverted postures can also help stimulate digestive organs and calm your nervous system. By promoting our venous return, it may help ease discomfort that we might feel caused by varicose veins even. This practice before bedtime can help the nervous system prepare your body for rest. When you're ready, start to walk your legs down. And we'll make our way to a reclined butterfly. Soles of your feet press together as your knees press towards the ground. This encourages gentle spinal alignment and it opens your chest when we have it supported, our shoulders gently on the ground. This gentle pressure around the pelvis and abdomen helps stimulate our circulatory and our energy flow. This gentle pressure around our pelvis and our abdomen help with circulation and energy flow. Bring knees together and sit up with your legs extended out. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, forward fold. Grab hold of your big toes.
This lengthens the spine, hamstrings, calves, releasing tension all the way from our head to our heels. Compressing our abdomen can gently massage and stimulate the digestive system. And then start to lower yourself all the way back. Bring your knees to your chest. Bring one knee to chest. Inhale and then exhale as you twist the knee over to the opposite side, extending your opposite arm out as you gaze out towards those fingertips. Bring your knees up to switch sides. Squeeze that knee up towards your chest. Feel your opposite leg extending out. Inhale and exhale as you twist your knee over to the opposite side and extend your opposite arm out and gaze towards that direction. Bring your knees up, and let's do that a second time. Squeeze your knee up towards your chest, recline over. Bring your knees up and take your opposite knee, squeeze to your chest. Inhale as you exhale, twist. Extend your arm out. Start to bring yourself back up to a seated position. If you have a towel, you can use it as a mask over your eyes. And start to recline all the way back down to Savasana, placing your eye mask or towel over your eyes. This is going to release your muscular tension from head to toe. This deeply relaxed state activates your parasympathetic functions like digestive and waste elimination. By letting go physically, the body creates space to release stored emotional tension. Best of all, Savasana is your invitation to do nothing. So stay here as long as needed. And thanks for joining the 7-day challenge. Be sure to subscribe and we'll see you at the next yoga session.